Good evening, everybody. It's a quick check-in from Hoosier Green Thumb, and I'm excited because our Bergpfirsiche, so like mountain peaches, are finally actually have some peaches. They smell delicious, and I'm going to pick one of the lone ones. Maybe this guy over here. Ooh, no, that guy's not ready. Let's see. Which one? Don't think that one's ready yet. Well, one of these. Yeah, this one smells delicious. So, it's the first time we've had peaches. We've got a second peach tree back here, but it hasn't produced yet. Well, it has, but they've all fallen off before. These are very small, but they're supposed to be special and delicious. So, I guess we'll give that a test. It's not bad. I think it could go a little bit longer. Very interesting though. Nice to finally have something coming from one of the trees. I mean, we do get a lot from a lot of the trees, but not always in abundance. And the peaches, this is the first time, so. And the color, that's amazing. Never seen such a deep color, deep red. I mean, I'm colorblind and I can see that. But yeah, so this has been a short little check-in on what's going on in the garden.